In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI camera feature. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the camera inside the Grok app, capture a photo, confirm it, and write a clear prompt so Grok can analyze what it sees and give you helpful results. Start by opening the Grok app on your phone and signing into your account. Make sure your app is up to date so the camera feature appears as expected. The first time you use the camera, your phone may ask for permission to access it. Go ahead and allow that. Without camera access, Grok can't analyze images you capture. If you're privacy conscious, remember you're in control of what you share. Avoid including sensitive documents, personal IDs, or anything you wouldn't want processed. On the main screen, look for the option labeled Open Camera or a camera icon. Tap it to switch from text mode to image capture mode. You should now see your phone's camera viewfinder. Take a moment to set up your shot. Good lighting makes a big difference, so move near a window or turn on a light to reduce shadows. Hold your phone steady and make sure the subject is centered and in focus. If you're photographing text, keep the page flat and fill most of the frame so the letters are crisp and readable. Try to avoid glare from glossy surfaces by tilting slightly until reflections disappear. When you're ready, press the shutter button to take the picture. Check the preview to confirm everything you want is visible and sharp. If the app shows a check icon, tap it to confirm your selection. This tells Grok that this is the image you want to analyze. You may see a brief upload or processing indicator. Just wait a moment while the image is prepared. Now it's time to guide Grok with a clear prompt about the picture. The more specific you are, the better the result. Instead of typing, "What is this?" try something like, "Identify the main object in this photo and describe its purpose," or "Read the text in this image and summarize the key points," or "List the ingredients you can see and suggest a simple recipe idea." If you need translation, say, "Translate any visible text into English," and if you want troubleshooting, say, "Explain what might be wrong based on what you see." You can also set the tone, like, "Explain it simply for a beginner." After Grok responds, feel free to refine your prompt with follow-up questions. Clarify what you need, add context, or ask for steps. That's it. Open the app, tap Open Camera, take your photo, confirm with the check icon, and enter a clear prompt tailored to your image.